Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to link your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram, and how to set up your Instagram shop. When you're done, your products will sync automatically and your shop will be ready to move through Instagram's approval process without issues. Begin inside your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand menu, find Sales Channels. Click the plus button to add a channel, then select Facebook and Instagram. Adding this channel integrates Meta's tools directly into Shopify, allowing you to manage product syncing, shop settings, and approvals all in one place instead of switching between multiple tabs. If any alerts or warnings appear while adding the channel, pause and review them. It helps to have your Shopify store information fully completed. This includes your business address, refund policy, and shipping setup, since these details are often checked during Instagram's shop review. Next, you'll connect your accounts. Shopify will prompt you to sign in to Facebook and authorize the required permissions. Ensure you're using a Facebook profile that has admin access to the Facebook page and business manager you plan to use. Your Instagram account also needs to be a business account, not personal, and it must already be linked to that Facebook page. If you're unsure, open Instagram settings, confirm it's set to business account, and verify that it's connected to the correct Facebook page. During setup, choose the exact Facebook page, Instagram profile, and business assets you manage. Approve all permissions requested. Limiting access can cause catalog syncing or shop features to break later on. Next, open Meta Commerce Manager. If you haven't created a shop yet, set one up and select your checkout method. For most Shopify users, checkout on your website is ideal since it sends customers directly back to your Shopify checkout. Connect your Shopify product catalog to your Meta business account so your items sync automatically. Once linked, allow some time for the initial product upload to complete. Back in Shopify, make sure the products you want to feature are enabled for the Facebook and Instagram sales channel and have complete details, titles, descriptions, prices, inventory, images, and meet Meta's policies. Providing clean, accurate product information helps speed up approval and prevents items from being rejected. When everything is ready, follow the final steps in Commerce Manager to submit your shop for Instagram's review. Monitor your notifications both in Commerce Manager and within the Facebook and Instagram sales channel inside Shopify. Reviews usually take a couple of days. If anything gets flagged, make the necessary edits in Shopify or Commerce Manager, then resubmit. Once your shop is approved, your catalog will continue updating automatically. Any changes you make in Shopify will reflect on your Facebook and Instagram shop as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.